And we sort of changed it up a bit, added music to it, and it's become one of our children's favorite songs that they like to share with you. I'm going to share with you a song entitled Mele Akolea, excuse me. And this song speaks about a love relationship between that of the Akolea bird, or the golden plover, who would migrate from Alaska, and that of the Pupu Akolea, or the tree snails. Now the story goes that the tree snails befriended the Kolea birds as one day they were thirsty, very thirsty, so they asked of the Kolea birds if they would go down to the stream and fetch them some water. So naturally the Kolea birds obliged, went down to the stream, fetched their water, brought it back up to the Pupu Akolea, or the tree snails. And as they were partaking of the water, their shells would become a bright red, like ornaments in the tree. A song that speaks about friendship and love, and how important that is in our lives today. We share with you with a little bit of a 21st century beat to it. A song entitled Akolea. Oba Kakao, Kahea.